Have you ever looked at your AirPods and thought, wow, these look dirtier than I expected? Maybe the sound feels muffled, or you wonder if those tiny holes are clogged. What if I told you that a dirty AirPod isn't just annoying? It could be damaging your hearing or even causing infections. Today, I'll show you how to clean your AirPods safely, step by step, so they look and sound like new. Before we start, hit the like button and subscribe, because your gadgets deserve some love too. Think about this. You use your AirPods every day, on your commute, during workouts, even while relaxing. They're in your ears, so close to your skin and ear canal. But when was the last time you actually cleaned them? For many of us, it's been a while, maybe even months, and that's a problem. AirPods are tiny marvels of technology, but they're also magnets for dirt, sweat, earwax, and dust. Left uncleaned, this buildup can block sound, reduce battery efficiency, or cause unpleasant odors. Worse, it could lead to ear infections, especially if bacteria multiply in that warm, moist environment. Imagine your trusted AirPods slowly becoming a breeding ground for germs. That sounds serious, right? Yet, most cleaning guides miss the mark. Either they recommend harsh chemicals or risky methods that can damage your expensive device. Step 1. Gather your tools carefully. Before you start, here's what you'll need: a soft, lint-free cloth, like the kind you use for glasses, cotton swabs, isopropyl alcohol, at least 70%, but just a little, a dry toothbrush or soft bristled brush, toothpick, or a small wooden stick for stubborn debris. Why so many tools? Because cleaning AirPods isn't about scrubbing like you would your shoes. It's a delicate process, and the wrong move can ruin your headphones forever. Step 2. Clean the exterior. Start with the outside. Take the lint-free cloth, slightly dampen it with a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol, and gently wipe the outer shell. Avoid getting moisture into the speaker mesh or charging ports. Why alcohol? Because it evaporates quickly and kills bacteria without leaving residue. But don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. Step 3. Tackle the speaker mesh. Now comes the tricky part: cleaning the speaker holes without damaging the delicate mesh inside. Use the dry toothbrush or soft brush to gently brush away any loose debris. Be gentle. No poking or prodding with metal tools here. If you see stubborn wax or dirt, carefully use a toothpick or wooden stick to dislodge it, but only from the edges. Ever wonder why AirPods sound muffled sometimes? This hidden buildup is usually the culprit. Step 4. Clean the charging case. Don't forget the charging case. It's just as important. Remove any dust or lint with a dry cotton swab. For sticky grime, lightly dampen the swab with isopropyl alcohol and wipe the cases inside and outside. Pay special attention to the charging contacts. Dirt here can prevent your AirPods from charging properly. Step 5. Let them dry. After cleaning, give your AirPods and case time to air dry completely. Why? Because moisture inside your AirPods can short-circuit their sensitive electronics, and that's the last thing you want. Bonus tip: regular maintenance routine. Cleaning your AirPods once a week might seem excessive, but trust me, it pays off. Think of it like brushing your teeth or washing your face. A small routine that protects your health and prolongs your AirPods' lifespan. Also, store them in a clean, dry place and avoid sharing them with others to reduce bacteria transfer. Picture this: you put on your AirPods and suddenly the sound is crystal clear. No muffled music, no itching ears, just pure, immersive sound every single time. How much better would your daily listening experience be? And the best part, you did it yourself with simple steps. Now, if you want to take your cleaning and home care routine even further, I have something special for you. Get my 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist, designed to save you time and keep your space spotless. Plus, when you join our free community, Made for Women, you get exclusive access to tips, advice, and support from people just like you. Click the link below or in the description to join. Trust me, it's a game changer. So there you have it, the complete, safe way to clean your AirPods without damaging them. Remember, delicate tools, gentle touch, and regular maintenance. Your AirPods are an investment, not just in money, but in your daily life, your music, your calls, your focus. Treat them well, and they'll reward you with better sound and longer life. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share this with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more practical tech and home care advice, because small habits make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Got your own cleaning hacks or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, clean AirPods mean a healthier, happier you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't miss my other videos on tech care and home hacks. Click here for how to protect your phone screen, and here for quick cleaning hacks you need to know. Subscribe and join our community for tips that make life easier and better.